8 lives in bad luck before I found that penny.
It was the penny that made you lucky.
Yes. I'm a bad luck black cat. I always will be.
And the luck world has been severed for good.
But there must be a way to fix it, to reconnect.
Without good luck, there is no penny.
But I have to get to Hazel. I have to go home.
Yes, mommy.
And what about our home, Santa Moon? We exist to make luck for your world. What will happen to us now? You should never have. She was only fooling me.
I'm so sorry. I never meant any of this. I was just trying to help my friend.
Instead, you will show that she and no other humans will ever experience luck again.
You just banished both of them, bad luck.
No, doesn't matter. It's all bad luck.
Tell me there was something off about you. I knew it deep down inside. Like friends that to live like that
No. Mommy, is it this? Yeah. I'm going to bring it down.
I should have been better, Sam.